Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Yes, here I am again with another topic on grammar. Children, this topic is related to our previous topic only. Yes, you have studied about nouns in your previous days. Nouns and its types. You have studied till now 3 types: proper noun, common noun and collective noun. Here is another type of noun, that is possessive noun. Yes, possessive noun means to possess something or to own something. Like if I give you an example, this board belongs to me. I own this board. This marker belongs to me. I own this marker. Children, possessive nouns are the words that tell us that something belongs to someone. Example, this pen belongs to the teacher. This pen belongs to the teacher. The pencil belonging to the student is beautiful. Yes. Now children, there are lots of ways to express how something belongs to someone, right? And 2 examples I have given you here, how we can tell that something is belonging to someone. Now, to make this sentence short and crisp, why to complicate things by writing such a long sentence? We are going to cut short these sentences. Should I tell you how? Yes. Here, this pen belongs to the teacher can be written as teacher's pen. Or the pencil belonging to the student is beautiful can be written as student's pencil is beautiful. So children, yes, in these 2 sentences we are being told that pen belongs to teacher and pencil belongs to student. Now children, apostrophe, yes, this is known as apostrophe. What is it known as? Apostrophe. Children, this apostrophe plays a very significant role, or you can say very important role in showing possessiveness. In the above sentences, teachers and students, both the words are possessive nouns. These are nouns, but these words are possessive nouns. What are these? Possessive nouns. Now we are going to study about some rules by which we can make a noun, we can convert a noun into a possessive noun. But children, here before starting with the rules, I want to clear one thing to you, that whenever we show possession, we use an apostrophe with the person who's possessing the thing. Possessive nouns. Rule number 1. Children, in first rule, to change a singular noun into a singular possessive noun, what we do? We use apostrophe s. Yes, we add apostrophe s to a noun that converts singular noun into singular possessive noun. Like example here can be, as I told in your previous examples were there. Teachers, the teachers, that means teacher is a singular noun, and apostrophe s is telling the possession, so it became teachers. Another example can be Ravi's book. Sia's school. Children, now rule number 2. What is rule number 2 of possessive noun? In this rule, to make a possessive noun, what we do? We add only apostrophe at the end of the word. Like But the thing is that plural noun should be already ending with the s only. Like if I give you an example, girls. Girls is already plural and ending with s. What we are going to do here is we are simply going to put an apostrophe after the s, not before it. Before it will make it wrong. This is correct. Whenever we are writing girls, whenever we are writing something plural and the plural form of that word is ending with s at the end, at that time we are simply going to add apostrophe at the end. Another example can be students, notebooks. Now here you can see that students is already plural, having s at the end. So I simply put apostrophe at the end. It shows that notebooks are of students or notebooks belongs to students. Here we can add the predicate girls caps. That means caps of the girl or caps belongs to the girls. Now rule number 3 of possessive noun. Children, in rule number 3, plural which is not ending with s, that means plural form of a noun in which at the end we don't see s, there we use again apostrophe s as we use in singular noun. Example I can give you. If we write children, you know what? Children is plural form of what? Child. Yes, children. Many children make this mistake. They write child, plural form of child as children's. No, this is wrong. The plural form of child is children only. So keep this in mind. And when we write children and we have to convert this plural into possessive noun, what we are going to use? We are going to just add on apostrophe s. Children's father is brave. Another example here I can give is woman, right? E. I have written E here. It becomes plural. Women apostrophe s. Women's clothes. Right? So apostrophe s is written when the plural is not ending with s. Now children, last but not the least, most important note here is that possessive nouns, keep this in your mind, possessive noun consists of people and animals only, not on things. Okay? Example I can give you. Friend's book. From this example you can see friend is a human being. We can take it as person, right? So I told you that possessive noun consists of people. Friend's book. But if we have to write about something about book, which is a thing, we will not write books, pages. What we are going to write? Pages of book. I hope I'm clear with all these examples and all these rules. Go through this, then I hope you will be expert in understanding what possessive nouns are. Thank you.